Did you know fishing is one of the biggest industries in the world? 1 out of every 10 people derives their income from seafood.
This makes it the most traded commodity with a total trade value of $900 billion.
However, this industry is facing significant challenges. 90% of global fish stocks are either overfished or fully exploited.
Moreover, illegal, unreported, unregulated fishing is massive and estimated at 700 kilograms every second.
As the nation's population grows, the demand for fish keeps rising while our supplies are rapidly decreasing.
Aquaculture is a viable alternative because it improves nutrition and food security. However, traditional aquaculture, better known as sea cage farming, has several environmental risks.
So will there be a solution to this?
The answer is yes. Now, with our company Secure Aqua. Secure Aqua focuses on evolving Malaysia's aquaculture industry. How, you may ask?
We plan to develop whole supply chain ecosystems for more sustainable seafood production by using the recirculating aquaculture system, which allows seafood farming to be moved onto land in a closed system within a controlled environment. As displayed, our business proposition aligns with 4 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
One of the current industry challenges would be animal welfare and performance. In sea cage farming, the fish crowd in cages, which leads to a relatively high rate of diseases that can spread rapidly.
One of Secure Aqua's competitive advantages is improved breeding environment. In our RAS farms, water temperature happens to be controllable. Therefore, production for different species of fish, regardless of local temperature regimes, is achievable.
Based on research, we can conclude that these are the 4 main consumer demands.
Our plan is to build a fully vertical integrated production line that will produce high-quality, fresh, and processed seafood products.
Our major targets are specifically large-scale end users such as hotels, restaurant chains, and supermarkets. Therefore, we will need to conduct mass productions in order to become the essential seafood supplier in local as well as international markets. One of our focus fish species is the Asian sea bass, as it is simple to farm and because of its ever-increasing global demand.
After that, we have the grouper fish and tuna, which are sought-after species under threat from overfishing.
Our fish include the 4 safe elements. The first element is sustainable, since waste materials are processed and converted into organic fertilizers.
Our fish are all natural as they are fed top-quality, non-GMO ingredients.
Besides that, our fish are free from any harmful chemicals, additives, as well as antibiotics.
Last but not least is eco-friendly. Fish in our care are raised without any pollution, contaminants, or other parasites. In summary, Secure Aqua strives to provide seafood products responsibly and sustainably for everyone.
We strongly encourage you to join us in our pleasant journey.
Secure Aqua, ensuring food security and sustainable aquaculture one step at a time.